All right, so in this video, we are going to go over how to edit an image or create a new image and adding a logo on that image using Canva. Just to give you a little background, we have one of our clients, Echo Green Furniture. They have previously had a website in WordPress and they have migrated over and set up WordPress within Pro 360. And so within WordPress, they have in their on their website these different, I guess, benches they call it, and these are individual images here. And so they would like to add additional images and put a logo with a different logo from a different manufacturer in here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to create that image before we upload it to their WordPress website. All right. So just to give you so we have a logo, and in this case, they sent it over as a PDF. So the good thing about using Canva is that it doesn't matter whether it's a PDF or, of course, you want a decent resolution. The higher the resolution, the better. And then you also have a JPEG. Okay, just an FYI, you probably want to use PNG file format. That is probably the best format for the average consumer or client out there or user. Okay, there are other high resolution images, but this is the most well I guess used JPEG, PNG. PDF is more of a document type of, but we can still work with that. All right, so let's go into Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, I strongly recommend that you get one. We have a link on the description. Use that link. It is an affiliate link, but we strongly recommend it because it's a very probably you've heard about Canva, but Canva is a very universally uh, used graphic designer, to create images, whether it's for website or for social media. All right. Just a little bit of background here. So we have our clients listed as a folder here, and then within the folder, you can create subfolders to keep your creatives, I guess, organized. And you can do that by creating folders here, right? So in this case, we're going to go ahead and create a new design um, because we have this. I'm going to demonstrate it using this image and adding a logo, this Bench Pro logo here. All right. And so we're going to go ahead and add new design and create new design, right? And when you do that, what Canva has is predetermined set of different designs. If you want to create social media, you want to create presentation. In this case, we're going to create a custom size and it's going to be square. Let me just go back. This looks pretty square to me. I believe. Yeah, this is pretty, yeah, it looks square. And so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a square, which is 1080 by 1080. All right, and click that, and then we're going to create and share. Okay, and there we go. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to upload. So let me, you could do it multiple ways. If you want to upload it, you can go to uploads and then upload it, right? You can go to uploads and you can upload files this way, or the other way is you can drag this into uploads here, as you can see right here. So these are all the various types of items that you can upload into Canva. So we're going to upload it here, and as you can see, it's being uploaded. And then the logo, we're going to go ahead and upload here as well. Okay, let's go ahead and upload. And there is the logo and there is the image. So then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this and then, oh, where did the design? Let's go to upload here. Yep, I'm sorry. So you go back to upload, right? And I don't know why. What happened to the? Let me go back and upload the. Oh, so I guess this is not. I'm just gonna delete this because I don't want to have duplicates here. So um, the way that I guess it's being uploaded into a different area. Um, I'm not a pro at this, so by no means, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on this, and then what it does is it will automatically go in here, okay? And then we're gonna go to this again here, and we're gonna click on this, and as you can see, it loads. So whatever you click on, it goes into the design. And so I'm gonna click on this, and then um, let me see if. All right, so the way that this works is that, as you can see, it's picking off, I'm not sure how this works, internally, but as you can see, it looks like it's different. It's picking up at different sections of this design. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just highlight this, and then it picks it up as one design. And so I'm gonna see if I can group this together. And then now I have that design, and I'm just gonna move it up here, and let's see if I can move this position. Okay, so let's see here, layer. So let me go ahead and upload this right there. Okay, so as you can see here, this image, let me just move this. Let me see if I can, I just want to delete this. Nope, cannot delete it. All right, so what I want to do is um, I want to expand this out here, and we're gonna just position it, and then you see this logo that is grouped together. I want to bring it up, and so if you right click on it, then you have the ability to there should be a layer, and so you want to bring it forward, and so now you brought it forward, right? And so let's just go ahead and make this logo smaller so that it corresponds to how this looks right here. So we're going to try to make it as similar as possible to that. And then we're just going to move it up, and then maybe move this closer or something like that, right? So whatever, I'm not going to go and you know uh, finalize this because we've already done it, but I just want to show it to you for this demo purpose or this video. And so let's just say you have this done, and then of course you want to title it. Let's call it, let's see what it was called. It is called Dewey Bench, and then Bench Pro, right? So then oops, let's call it Dewey Bench, call it Bench Pro, right? And then what you would do is you would click on share, and then you would click download, right? So then because we need to download an image, and then you want to keep it 1080 by 1080 PNG. That is the suggested, as you can see here. Now, if you want to compress it for whatever reason, there are times when you want to compress it to a low quality, or you want to limit file size to a certain size, or if you want to make it transparent, you have that option available, and then you would download it. So I'm just going to keep it the way it is and click download, right? And now it is downloading, and it is complete. And so then let me go ahead and get that file and put it into the folder. All right, so I found here, this is Dewey Bench Pro, and as you can see, let me pull it over. It just opened up in my other window, and there you go. All right, and so um, that's how you would create the Canva image, and that's it. All right. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos to help you grow your local business online.